Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to change YouTube channel name and its handle. How to do this? Let's start. Now click on YouTube channel icon, our logo, and now go to YouTube Studio. In our YouTube Studio on our left side you will find customization option. Click on customization. Now you will find basic info tab. Click on it. Now you can see here your YouTube channel name and you are able to change your YouTube channel name. In the bottom section you can change your YouTube channel handle also and click on publish button. When you click on publish button, this verification is required as a security check. Now complete this verification process and click on continue button. These simple steps that you can follow to change your YouTube channel name and channel handle. Now go to your YouTube channel homepage and check your YouTube channel name that is changed and also change your YouTube handle. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.